Hello, friends, and welcome to our class once again. Today we look at the regression and correlation. We're given a question and we are told in the month of January, February, March, April, May, and June, we have an output. Output is the number of items produced. The output is what you are producing in the company, and we have produced 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 respectively from Jan to June. And then you're also given the total cost as 8, these are in thousands, or could be in millions, 8, 10, 12, 15, and 18, and 22 as the total cost incurred by producing the corresponding outputs. Meaning, if we produce 2 units, then that will be 8 million or 8,000 in total cost. Again, if I produced 5 units, the total cost of production would be 15 million or 15,000, and so on and so forth. Then the question will be required. Roman 1, we told find the regression equation for y on x. Find the regression equation for y on x, and in the form of y is equal to a plus bx. Number 2, we're told estimate the total cost incurred if the output is 12 units. Estimate the total cost incurred if the output is 12 units. In solution to this question, the first thing to do is to get two more equations, two more lines, or two more columns. We have x column, we have y column. We need to have another column in the form of x, y. So we shall have the product of x and y. That's 2 plus 8. We shall have 16. 3 plus 10 is 30. So we can write the xy gives me 16. 3 and 10 gives me 30. The next one is 48. 5 and 15 gives me 75. Next one is 108. And the last one is 154. All right. Then we shall have another one more column in the name of x squared. We shall square x. So we shall have 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, and so on, filling this column. There shall be filled as follows: 4, 9, 16, 5 squared is 25, 6 squared is 36, then 7 squared is 49. The totals are 139 for the sum of x squared. For xy, we have 431. For summation of y, we have 85. And for summation of x, we have 27. Okay. Having found the totals, these are the summations. Summation of x is 27. Summation of y is 85. Summation of xy is 431. And summation of x squared is 139. Now we remind ourselves that the formula of solving this problem, getting the regression equation, can be done by using the least squares method or the two normal equations formula. This is done as follows. We say in solution, we say summation of y is given as nr plus b summation x. The one summation of xy being given as r summation x plus b summation x squared. We have all these. We have summation x, we have summation x squared, we also have summation y, and we have summation x y. Now, inserting the figures in these equations, we have nr. But what is n? N is a number of observations. We have x as being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the observations are 6. We are doing this calculation for 6 months. The observation has been done for 6 months. So therefore n becomes 6. So inserting, we shall have 6a, right? is equal to summation y. Summation y is given as 85. So we shall just insert 85 being equal to NA. NA is 6R. Then we have summation x times b. Summation x times b gives me 27b. The second equation we have summation xy. You can see summation xy is 431, 431. So we shall have again 431 being equal to 27r. That's a summation x. Summation x is 27, so we shall have 27a. And then you add b summation x squared. Summation x squared is 139, 139, and so that becomes 139 times b, becomes 139b. We solve this by using elimination method. The smaller number to eliminate is a, and therefore we shall multiply this equation 1. We shall multiply equation 1 by 27, and equation 2 we shall multiply by 6, so we can be able to eliminate the a in these two equations. What we shall get is here, we get 27 times 85, we get 2295 being equal to 162r plus 729b. Right. The second equation gives me 2586 being equal to 162a. You add 834b. Now, having found these two, we now subtract these two so that we can now eliminate. The a's are eliminated, and then we shall have 291 being equal to 105b, because a has been eliminated, and therefore b becomes 2.771. If I divide both sides by 105, you get b is 2.771. After finding b being 2.771, we now insert b in our equation. In our original equation, 85 is 6a plus 27b, and b having been found, we shall therefore substitute. Now you say substituting in equation 1, we shall write 85 is equal to 6a plus 27 into b. b is 2.77, and therefore we have 6a being equal to 10.18. Therefore a becomes 1.69. Good. Now we have a 1.69 and you have b 2.77. Now this examiner wants us to write the equation in the form y is a plus bx. Y is a plus bx, and so we shall write the equation y is equal to a, that's 1.69, then you add b. What is b? B is 2.77, so you write 2.77x. That is the second equation. That's the first, the second equation. We've been given the regression equation for y on x. That is the Roman 1 has been answered. That's Roman 1 having been answered. Roman 2 is asking for to estimate the total cost incurred if the output is 12 units. Total cost incurred if the output is 12 units. Now, once we have this regression equation, we are only supposed to get the cost of production, the total cost of production, by inserting x, inserting 12 units where we have x in this equation. Therefore, Roman 2 will be given as y, or total cost being given as a1.69, that's a, plus bx 2.77, that's b, and then x is 12 units, and therefore total cost now becomes 34.93 shillings. Could be millions, could be in thousands. That is how we do our regression equation. Not difficult. Thank you for watching. May God bless you. Thank you.